I want to get back to that breaking news we just shared with y'all within the last few minutes, where AccuWeather is now putting a dollar figure on Thursday's storms, $5 to $7 billion. We know how wide it was. One of the things that David and Travis were remarking on last night. Experts say this storm on par with Hurricanes Ike and Alicia.
And with power being out perhaps for weeks and the threat for it to extend further, AccuMeteorologist, or chief meteorologist, I should say, explains why this could be happening here a lot more often.
Harris County, Texas, is one of the most vulnerable parts of the country from a weather risk perspective because of the number of people that reside in Harris County and the wide variety of weather threats that are faced, ranging from hurricane impacts to flash floods to severe thunderstorms and tornadoes, even ice storms.
Well, Porter says that this windstorm will go down in history books as one of the most damaging storms in modern Houston history that was not caused by a hurricane.